Hey guys, what's up? This is Jared Cole. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be doing a chest workout. And guys, this is not usual because normally people pay for this stuff. Well, guess what? Today's your lucky day. I'm gonna give this to you for free. So let's get right into the workout. Okay, we're gonna start out. This is a beginner workout. We're gonna start out with, we're gonna be doing 10 sets of normal push-ups. Follow with me. Okay, there you go. You can rest if you need to, but I'm just gonna get right into the next set. We're gonna do 10 more normal push-ups. Okay, now we're gonna do 8 diamond push-ups. Get your hands like this. Awesome, there you go. Now you can take a rest if you need to. Okay, now we're gonna do 10 wide arm push-ups. Okay, let's do 10 more normal push-ups. Okay, there you go. I just did that until I couldn't do it anymore. So just do it till you can't do it anymore. There you go, that's the workout for today. Next workout is gonna be an ab workout. We're gonna be doing an ab workout, so I will see you guys in the next video.